What up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today, me and Eric got a little side project we're going to work on. Say what's up, Eric.
What's up?
So Mama's birthday is coming up sometime this week, and me and Eric thought it'd be a good idea to do a little project for Mom. And we were talking about installing this subwoofer that we've been talking about doing for quite some time, Eric.
Yep.
So, you think we can do it?
Yeah.
All right. So, we found it on Amazon, little 480 watt, all-inclusive little package. Nice little starter kit. We'll see what it does in our Ranger.
What are you guys doing?
A little project.
A little project?
Eric, Jake, what are y'all doing?
Nothing.
What are you guys doing?
We were going to install a sub in the Ranger.
Are you doing the Amazon sub?
We're thinking about it. Nice little starter kit.
Baby, I told you, I want to feel it in my soul. I'm not going to feel 480 watts. I'm just saying.
We can try it.
I got this. I got it. Just wait, buddy.
Okay. I don't know what the heck is she doing.
I don't know. I don't trust your mama. I'm scared.
Ready? Whitney from Ultimate Performance because I know that in this machine I want something that is bigger and badder than we've ever put in anything else. So I gave her a call and I'm on my way to the shop now to figure out what we can do to make sure that this Ranger bumps.
Stereo?
Yes, ma'am. Do you have ideas for us?
We are a UTV Stereo dealer. So, they just came out with an awesome Ranger 1500 kit. From start to finish, we can handle everything. It's a full package.
Ooh, yes, ma'am.
You ready to do that?
Let's go.
Okay, let me make a phone call. What weekend works for you?
We will be in Phoenix 4th of July.
Not a problem. Let's make a phone call.
You...
All right, folks, now time for the big reveal. I told you I went down to Ultimate Performance UTV, spoke with Whitney, and in coming up with ideas of what we could do with the Ranger, the only thing that made sense was going to the best in the industry where it comes to aftermarket stereos, and that is UTV Stereo here in Mesa, Arizona. We just got the Ranger off the trailer and we're doing the drop-off. This build is going to continue to grow. We're super excited. Can't wait to show you what we have in store in terms of audio for the Ranger. Stay tuned. Alright folks, so we're back at UTV Stereo and the machine is done. Let's go see what they think. Alright.
It's awesome. This sounds badass, guys.
Whitney, we did good.
The very next evening.
All right, so we're back from Phoenix, and the only thing hotter than the temperature in Phoenix in July is a sound system that Sam and Woody picked out and had UTV Stereo installed into the Ranger. So now Sam's going to do a little bit of a walkthrough and kind of show you all the stuff that we got done, and at the end we'll show you what some little non-copyrighted music so you can hear it.
We knew any stereo option that we wanted to pick, we wanted it to fully integrate with the Ride Command Head unit. With UTV Stereo, we replaced the factory tweeters. We installed 2 Pro Series tweeters, and we did 6.5 Signature Series speakers. There's 2 in the dash, and we have 4 in the headliner. All of them came with LED rings, so we can change colors, we can adjust it to where it plays, it follows the rhythm of the music. We also installed 2 Elite Series subs. These are 10-inch, and they're both on the passenger side. One is under the front passenger seat, and the second is under the rear passenger seat. It was important to us to make sure we didn't lose a lot of leg room. So the sub enclosures that they came up with are great. You don't lose a lot of space. Additionally, these are powered by a 1,000 watt amp and a 1,200 watt amp.
So yeah, like Samantha mentioned, we didn't want to lose leg room or anything like that for our passengers. The only thing we did lose access to in an easy sense was access to our battery. And to solve that problem, UTV Stereo installed a jump post here in the back of the machine on the frame rail. So if the battery was to go dead, we could easily hook up a jump box or jump another vehicle with that. So, and then also if we were to take the machine to shows and wanted to run music all day, or if you take it to the camp and you want to listen to music, we have this adapter port that we can run an inverter to it, and we can listen to music till our ears bleed. So
now we're going to take you guys through what she sounds like, and hopefully you enjoy it as much as we do.
because of YouTube, we can't play copyrighted music, so we've got some copyright-free music we're going to play, and hopefully the audio comes across. Alright, happy birthday, Samantha.
Thank you, baby.
I hope you like the birthday present you got, picked out, scheduled by yourself.
I absolutely love it. As we had mentioned in the 500-mile review, one of the very big shortfalls of the machine was the factory stereo. Now we have the best stereo that we could have picked from the aftermarket, and it's all thanks to Ultimate Performance UTV and UTV Stereo. Thank you.
Great job, you guys.
So if you hear us with our eardrums or we're a little hard of hearing, you know why. Hope you enjoy.
Like always, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions or comments, drop us a line down below, and we'll see you out on the trail.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
All right, folks, in case you're wondering what it looks like behind the scenes, so the Armidas team is melting, so we're gonna do a couple more shots and then get ourselves back on the road so we can go camping for the 4th, because next time I plan an installation, it will not be for the 4th of July in Phoenix when it's 120 degrees. All right, catch you guys soon.
I'm going to hotel.
Huh?
I'm going to hotel.
You want to go to the hotel?
Yeah, Mother.